Welcome. Today we're gonna do another classic haircut with scissors. We're gonna start the haircut. We're gonna apply water to start sectioning the hair. Comb the hair to the back and make a section on the left side, and then comb the hair to the right. Start the haircut on the front, and we're gonna cut in a 90-degree angle in a horizontal position. Cut all the way to the back. We are making solid cuts. In this case, the guideline is gonna be the cut you did before. We are grabbing small sections without rushing, and we're gonna cut all the way to the back. Make a section on the right side and comb the hair to the left, and we're gonna connect the guideline we did on top with the left side. We are using as reference the cut we did in the middle. We are also using as reference the cut you did before. Make a section on the left side and comb the hair to the right, and we're gonna connect the guideline on the middle with the right side. Also, we are using as reference the cut we did before. Continue with the third lateral section, comb the hair down, and we're gonna use 3 fingers touching the scalp. We are gonna connect the guideline we did on top with the third lateral section, and we're gonna use 3 fingers touching the scalp. Adjust your hand in a vertical position so the cut is square. On the sides, the guideline is going to be the size of our fingers. We are using as reference the guideline we did on top. Also, we are using as reference the size of our fingers, and also we are adjusting our hands in a vertical position. Continue cutting all the way to the back. Continue with the second lateral section, comb the hair down, and we're gonna use 2 fingers touching the scalp. Connect the cut of the third lateral section with the second lateral section. We are using 2 fingers touching the scalp and cut all the way to the back. We're gonna make the edges and the neck area. We're gonna use 1 finger touching the scalp. Start making a cut on top of the ear. We are cutting in favor of the hairline growth. Connect the front area. Start making a cut in the middle, and then we're gonna connect that cut with the left side and right side of the front. Now connect the guideline on the border with the guideline on the second lateral section. We are cutting in a vertical position all the way to the back. We're gonna polish the cut we did on the border and the neck area using the comb in a 45 angle degree, and we're gonna cut going up. Also connect the sideburn area. In this area, comb the hair to the right and cut going up. Now we're gonna start with the left side. We're gonna use 3 fingers touching the scalp on the 3rd lateral section. Use as a reference the cut we did on top and connect it with the 3rd lateral section. Use as reference the cut on top. We are cutting the sides in a vertical position in a 90-degree angle. Use as reference the cut we did on top and continue using 3 fingers touching the scalp all the way to the back. Continue with the 2nd lateral section, comb the hair down and use 2 fingers touching the scalp. Connect the guideline of the 3rd lateral section with the 2nd lateral section. Remember, we are using as reference the cut we did on top, and also we are using as reference the size of our fingers. Make the border and the neck area using 1 finger touching the scalp. Start by making a cut on top of the ear. Then connect that guideline depending on the hairline growth. Polish the cut we did on the border and the neck area. We're gonna use the comb in a 45 angle degree and we're gonna make cuts going up. Also connect the sideburn area. In this area, comb the hair to the left and cut going up. Start making a cut in the middle, and then we're gonna connect the left side and the right side of the neck area. Connect the neck area's guideline with the 2nd lateral section. In this area, it's a bit uncomfortable making vertical cuts, but we're gonna try making vertical cuts. Now we're gonna make the texturizing of the hair. We're gonna use 3 fingers touching the scalp and we're gonna make 2 cuts going up. Comb the hair to the left and texturize the left side of the top of the head. Comb the hair to the right and we're gonna texturize the right side of the top of the head. Remember, we are making 2 cuts going up and we are using 3 fingers touching the scalp. Here you can see the volume we reduced from the hair. Texturize the 3rd lateral section using 2 fingers touching the scalp and making 1 cut. Texturize the second lateral section and use 2 fingers touching the scalp and make 1 cut. The border and the neck area we're gonna texturizing using the comb in a 45 angle degree, and we're gonna make 2 cuts going up. Applies the same procedure on the left side. The second lateral section we texturize it using 2 fingers touching the scalp and making 1 cut. The edges and the neck area we use the comb in a 45 angle degree, making 2 cuts going up. Now we're gonna make the edges. We're gonna use the cutting scissors and we're gonna start on the sideburn area. In this area, comb the hair down and cut to the left. Comb the hair in this area to the left and make cuts going down. Apply the same procedure on the right side. We refine a bit more the neck area. We're gonna make the edges using the trimmer. We're gonna start making a cut on the middle, and then we're gonna connect that cut with the right side and the left side of the neck. You can use this part of the comb to trap the hair away from the skin and organize it for the cut. We're gonna make the shave. We're gonna use the straight razor and the shaving cream. Comb the hair to the right to protect the hair and shave going down. We also did a beard trim. We reduced the excess of hair using the comb and the bottom part of the beard. We cut with the scissors the mustache area. We're gonna use the trimmer. You can use this part of the comb to extract the hair hidden on the edges. In this area the hair grows going up. We're gonna shave with the grain going up. We make the edge of the mustache with the trimmer. Make the same procedure on the right side. Use this part of the comb to extract the hair hidden on the edges. In this case we use cream with a light hold and natural shine. This is the final result. This was a classic traditional haircut with scissors. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching and see you next time. These are some of my previous videos. I invite you to watch them. If you like them, hit the like button and subscribe. You can find me on Instagram by Bless.